Hi Gemini, this is your weekly reading for the uh, time period of 19th to the 25th of February. What's coming to you and what are the pertinent energies? I have taken out the cards to understand that and clarified it, and I will be talking about that. So, this is for the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign of Gemini, the collective of Gemini. So, Gemini, what's coming to you in this time period and affecting you as external influence is the Three of Swords. So, you have gone through a setback, a heartache. Something has hurt you, or it is past, but it is still around you. So, it is influencing you. It is something which is over, and now again, the heartbreak or the pain is being felt. However, with the world card and the magician card, and magician also endorsing you, Gemini. This is the card of communication, this is the card of Mercury, your ruling planet. So with magician and the world card, there is definitely a new situation coming in. The old chapter that had given you the Three of Swords, it could be a love life that went south, a marriage which did not work, or something that gave you a heartache is over now, and the chapter is closed now. So what is happening is the full circle, the closure on that issue. And with the card of magician, miraculously a new situation is developing, and you will have all the necessary aid from the universe that is going to bring you this new life which is going to be with the help of your energy and the cosmic energy. Something miraculously is working out for you over a past situation that caused you heartbreak. So with the devil and the sun card, there was a connection with someone which was toxic, or there is a temptation once again around you. Something is being dangled in front of you, so this is a temptation which is coming in. You could be in two minds regarding that. You could be weighing your options in this time period whether to move towards that. It could be an ex coming back to you in this time, but with the high priestess energy, intuitive energies are guiding you, and you will know what is the best course of action. So with the devil and the sun, there is going to be the light coming to you, the clarity coming to you. The 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 problem with these kind of opportunities coming towards you, which is sometimes very confusing with the Seven of Cups card. They shine, they dazzle, and the options look very beautiful. The grass looks greener on the other side, so it confuses you. But with the Sun card, at this time, despite the situation that could be very toxic, very tempting, very, it could be creating shadows inside of you, thinking about the past, the present, you will be very clear about what to do next. It could be a health situation that could be troubled with temptations, but you will make up your mind. You could be in some gathering, because 10 of Pentacles is coming in reverse, and 10 of Pentacles again coming in reverse. So this could be a family function, this could be a long term feud going on in terms of family, external forces which create your lineage or wealth or family is around you. So in this time period, there is external influence of people around you who could be your family members, and you could be seeing it in a new light in this time period, that what all creates that toxicity, and what should be your choice. It is the time to not get confused. It is the time to be guided by your inner intuitive energies. You will see clearly what is important for you. Clarity, joy, happiness, name and fame in these kind of situation can also come in. So you will see clearly, Gemini, what is coming to you and what you should choose and what should be your life like. And you are going to reflect on this issue in the next 6 days. You are going to take the energy of separation, isolation. You are going to think about it wisely, and you will be guided by your wisdom and your inner gut feeling. You will decide to move away from such situations, get out of disappointments or disappointing thoughts about the past. And what is coming to you is an opportunity. Underlying opportunity is there is a possibility of heart to heart conversation with someone, new beginnings in love, and page of pentacles. So communication, good news, good omen will result in your life. This could be an opportunity coming of work. Some of you may have lost a work situation, a long term work. So this has happened, this has caused you some worry and heartache, but the chapter is over now. You will walk away from that, and with the world and the magician, new upgrades in life, with a new chapter and with the magician energy, you will manifest a new beginning for yourself, which is full of promise in this time period. So your outcome is, with the king of swords energy, you Gemini will be consolidating your virtual space and your physical space. You are going to consolidate, have the energies all centered inside of you. You are going to be intellectually superior than others. You are going to be able to speak the truth. You are going to be smart and shrewd in this time period, taking control of your life. So with the page of wands, you could be moving towards happy destinations. You could be having fun. You could be going for short trips. With the two of wands, you have decided to expand. You have decided to step out of your comfort zone and take a risk in your life for forward movement and taking yourself out of stagnation of some sort. So the devil is stagnation, devil is greed, temptation, materialism. You have decided to take yourself out of that, and you are looking at newer pastures to move forward and move with freedom. That is what is coming to you. So let's read out the card for you from the angels and ancestors deck. Take time to connect. So the earth guardian card is coming to you. It is asking you to stay rooted and grounded. Take time to connect deeply with the energy of the earth so that you can feel supported and make decisions based on strength and integrity. It's important for you to take a grounded approach to your current situation. If you are rushing ahead or making a decision based on your more fearful responses, you will miss out on the growth you deserve. Take some time to calm down and get grounded before proceeding further. Breathe, relax, and connect with your center. Then consider what to do. It's important to plant seeds that are going to grow into something beautiful rather than turn into a weed you have to deal with. So there could be a temptation to move towards a love situation. There could be a also a hasty feeling to leave some situation because you have gone through setback or heartbreak, and you feel displaced with the 10 of pentacles in reverse energy, or over in intervention by your family. But it is asking you to take your time, center your approach with the king of swords, become that intellectual who decides about short term and long term, keeping everything in view and making these smart decisions. That is what you require to do, Gemini, in this time period. So if you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who want a personal reading can contact me through the email ID in the description box just below this video, and I'll be posting more readings very soon. Till then, bye bye.